Hi! In front of me is LENOVO Tab P11 Gen 2, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video files to text message on this device. First of all, you need to open Messages app and select one of your contacts, like Wednesday. Now click on this little icon next to GIF with a photo and a paper clip. Following that, you can select one of those apps, click on those three lines at the top left corner, pick one of those sources, or just tap on one of those filters, in my case videos and audio. Now hold one of your files that you wish to send, in my case this video, and when you're ready, click on select at the top right corner. As you can see, my video is over here. When you're ready, just click on send button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!